Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable call waiting on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen tap on the phone app. Once the phone app has opened, tap on the option key at the top. From the pop-up menu, choose Settings. In Call Settings, go down and tap on Supplementary Services. Now next, tap on Call Waiting. So in here, tap on Call Waiting toggle button to switch it off, switch it on. And next, you can tap on the back key to go back to your phone app, or you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.